it's Michelle with Pink and Main. Time to open day number 9 of our Advent calendar for 2024. Are you enjoying opening your calendar so far? We're not quite halfway through, so the fun still continues. Let's jump down to the table and take a look at what day number 9 has in store for us. I've got it here. Oh, what could it be? Oh goodness, yes, I can't wait to open these with you. So we have a new shaker cover. If you're familiar with our shaker covers, we have 4 sizes, or we had 4 sizes for your card fronts. So now we have a circle shaker cover. This is 3.125 inches, and the reason I did it that odd little number there is so that you could cut a 3-inch circle to go inside here. And there's no adhesive on these because there's no easy way to add adhesive to these tabs without making them extremely expensive. What you're going to do when you cut your 3-inch circle to put on the inside, you put adhesive around the outside of your 3-inch circle on the back, and then you just close down your tabs around it, and you got your shaker cover. So this is a pack of 10, so you can make 10 circle shaker cards. So fun. I can't wait to see what you create with this, and in a couple of days we're gonna have to create something with this also. I can't wait. Super fun. Thanks so much for joining me again for opening day number 9. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow for day number 10. Have a good evening, and we'll see you then.